be strong.
Chicken apretada. Chicken caldereta. Spicy chicken caldereta. We're going to leave this for another 15 minutes. Then we are going to put the carrots and potatoes. And the bell pepper. Ako bahala i-edit ko pa naman yan.
Ay, cinta.
Hindi naman yun. Now we put the tomato sauce so that to absorb the chicken because it's already done after some minutes. It is ready. The chicken caldereta is done. You can see now, but we are going to leave it for another 10 minutes. So that the tomato sauce and other ingredients will absorb to the chicken. This is very yummy for lunch today.